Welcome to our state-of-the-art processing plant. Today, I'll show you how every single papaya dessert is made, from tropical farms to your...
Here, every machine, every process is designed to preserve nature's flavor, ensure safety, and deliver perfect quality.
Let's get started. And remember, subscribe for more videos like this.
We're showing a critical pressure spike on the main feed.
Acknowledged. Blade efficiency is dropping, but the bypass engaged. We're back in the green now.
Flash pasteurization, papaya puree flowing through pipes, rapidly heated to precise temperature to kill microbes while preserving color and vitamins.
Temperature control. Infrared cameras showing the uniform temperature drop across all products.
Cooling down. Containers emerging cool and ready for filling.
Torque and vacuum check. Each container checked for proper seal integrity and vacuum pressure.
Now locate the primary energy source and apply the virtual lockout tag. Ensure the machine is fully isolated before proceeding.
Ensure you wash thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. When donning the gown, only touch the inside surface before sealing the gloves over the cuffs.
The color is slightly darker than the baseline, but the texture is still acceptable.
Agreed.
Keep it coming slow. All right, easy now. Watch the left side.
The texture analysis shows a perfect G prime value.
It's stable, smooth, and the mouthfeel is exactly what we wanted.
Look at the citrus burst here.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we want.
Yes, and the matte finish works well with it.
We should adjust the typography on this one.
Isn't this papaya delicious, sweetie?
It's so good, Mom. Can I have some more?